Welcome to Coding Hero. Today I will show you how to make Toast, Alert and Dropdown menu using Bootstrap. If you don't know what is Alert, Toast and Dropdown, I will show you. Toast is look like this. This type of toast is used for notification on web page. And Alert is used for show alert after certain condition like if button is clicked and many other. And last, when Dropdown clicked, then it will open other options or links. Before start video, please consider subscribe. It will mean a lot. Many of you don't subscribe. I am working hard to make videos and I have only 25 subscribers, so please subscribe channel. Let's start video. First go to bootstrap.com website and open alert section. Here you will show many type of alerts, but in this video I will make dismissible alert using Bootstrap. Here you will see dismissible alert. In this alert, when you click on cross button, it will close alert. So let's copy the code of alert. I will use my online panel editor because I already hosted website. If you host website like me for completely free, then refer this video. I will give you a link in the description. Let's start coding. First write default HTML code. And after paste copied code between body tag. Save program and reload the page. You will see output like this because we have to paste some codes between head tag. So go back to bootstrap.com and select get started and click on introduction, and here you will see CSS and JavaScript codes. Let's copy that code and paste between head tag. So as you can see here, this way you can make dismissible alerts with Bootstrap. Now let's make Toast with Bootstrap. In many type of website you can see notification on bottom right side of website, and in this notification you will see message, title, time and cruise icon to close Toast. This toast setup is some complicate, so I will give this code in description of video for easy toast setup. So as you can see here, toast is look like this and dismissible also. Toast is easy to edit. Let's edit title of toast. And this way you can edit any information of toast easily. Now let's make drop-down menu. It is menu. When you click on this menu, it will extend to bottom side with some links or options, and it is also easy to edit. So as you can see here, drop-down menu is look like this. And I will provide all codes in the description of video. So thanks for watching video. Have good day. Bye bye.